Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make your playtime public or publicly visible in the Steam application in 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so if you for any reason would like to make it public here in the Steam app, for example, to make it visible for your friends or other visitors of your player profile here on Steam, this is how you can do it. Navigate to your profile here in the top, and from there simply click into Edit Profile here. Next guys, what you want to do is navigate to the privacy settings tab here at the bottom of that list. And here guys, to the right under my profile, make sure that it is set to public, as well as the game details, that's the more important part here, is set to public as well. So if that's not the case, access this drop down menu and switch from friends only or private to public. And that is going to display your playtime, as you can see, as a part of your game details, in addition to your achievements and games you like, etc., etc. guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.